So this is the application which is built on app and with the help of AngularJS framework, and we are going to see that how we can build this such applications step by step. And let me explain that what this application contains with the features and all. So this is an employee manager portal where we can see the list of employees which are available currently in a particular organization. So this is an employee tab where you can see that these are the blocks which is showing the name and employee code, and there is a hyperlink which is called view alpha details. So you can see the details of this particular employee, and you can dynamically add an employee with the help of this first name, last name and employee code, and then click on the add button. Then this new employee will get added here. So if you'll see that, let's try to add an employee here. Like suppose I'm going to add a employee name called Jim, and then his last name is called, say, Matt, Jim Matt, and let's say his employee code is say like 2356. So this is the first name of that employee and last name of this employee, and this is the employee code. And then let's see what happens when I click on this add employee button. So as soon as you'll click this add employee button, it will get added here. So you can see that the Jim Matt which you added just before gets dynamically added to this screen. So there is no page reloading is required, and also this is the beauty of a single page application where you can dynamically do the stuffs on the browser itself. And let's see what else is there for this application. So there is another tab called employee details. So when you hit on this employee tab, so you will get to see that this is all employee details screen, and here you have first the employee name, then all the details of that employee. For an example, like I want to show that what are the departments that employee had earlier worked on. So this is the listing of department code, and then department name, that which are the departments that he has worked on, then manager's name, that on the respective department name, who was his manager, and duration, that till what time he had worked on the particular department. So all this information for a particular employee you can see in a one screen. So this is all the screen is about, and all the employees which were available here, like here are suppose 10 employees, so all the 10 employees details you can see at one go. So this is the one view, and there is one more use case where suppose any employee is not having any records, so you have to show some specific meaningful message to the user that no details found, like user should understand that for this particular employee there is no records. So this kind of features we'll go and implement in our subsequent courses. And one more feature is there, like you can delete it dynamically. So whatever we had added at this moment, like Jim Matt, I can, if you want, you can delete it from this list. So as soon as I hit the cross button, that employee which I have cleared, that got removed from this list. And one more feature is there, like if you want to see the view details of the particular employee, then go and see that there is a hyperlink, view alphas details, and click on this. You will get another view where you can see the details of the particular employee, like what is the employee code, what is the address of that particular employee, and then the department details which we have seen in the employee details screen. So this is the application that we are going to build in the subsequent lessons. And similarly we can learn that what are the things that we should club together to make a whole working UI.